Hello, my name's Chad Hathaway, and I'm the instructor for North Arkansas College's Heavy Equipment Program. We are the only program in the United States that does real job sites, 100% real work, judged by engineers, inspected by engineers. Our program is a 2-semester course, in which time you'll learn how to maintain and operate multiple machines. You will spend the majority of your time on a machine, but in the seat. Along with that, you'll learn how to survey, read, cut, fill, and excavate the grade. The construction industry is looking to lose 45% of their workforce in the next 10 years due to retirement. Because of that, we are having no problem placing students in good paying jobs right now.